Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x equal 30 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I'll take the 4 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 30. So 4 power x times 3 equal 30. Now if I'll divide both sides by 3, so 4 power x equal 10. So now I am taking log on both sides. So as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So this becomes x log 4 equals log 10. Now if I divide both sides by log 4, this will cancel out. So x equal log 10 by log 4. This 10, we can write it as log 5 times 2 by log 4, we can write it as 2 square. So x is equals to, according to log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So this becomes 2 log 2. So x equal log 5 by 2 log 2 plus log 2 by 2 log 2. This will cancel out. So x equal 1 by 2 log 5 with base 2 plus 1 by 2. Now if I'll take this 1 by 2 as common, so log 5 with base 2 plus 1. This is the value of x. Now let's check. So x is equals to 1 by 2 log 5 with base 2 plus 1. So 4 power 1 by 2, we can write this as 1 by log 5 with base 2 by 2 plus 4 times 1 plus log 5 with base 2 by 2 plus 4 power 1 plus log 5 with base 2 by 2 equal 30 or not, we have to check. So a plus a equal 3a. So we can write it as 3 times 4 power 1 plus log 5 with base 2 by 2 equal 30. So 3 times 4 I can write it as 2 square, and this is 1 plus log 5 with base 2 by 2 equal 30. So 3 times this power 2 cancel out the new denominator. So 2 power 1 plus log 5 with base 2 equal 30. So as per exponent rule, a power m plus n, we can write it as a power m times a power n. So this becomes 3 times 2 power 1 times 2 power log 5 with base 2 equal 30 or not. So it's 3 times 2 is 6 and log a log base b is b. So it's 5 only equal 30 and 6 times 5 is 30. So yes, it's a verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.